Let me ask you something, guys. What do you think about Special Olympics?
Why are you asking me? Yeah.
What do you think?
Fun? What?
Is it fun?
Yes, yeah. It's fun.
What else is it?
I don't know.
You two big beef eaters.
So you too, Bernie.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
You're beef boys. Let's see that scruffy face. Oh, you got your mean face on. You gonna lift some weight there, bud?
Yes.
What are you gonna do?
Nothing. Lift weights. Yeah, what?
Yeah? How much?
0. A lot.
450?
0. I don't know.
How come? You're a gold champion, aren't you?
I am gold champion.
All right. You gonna do your best today?
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah? You got your mean face on?
Yes.
All right. Let's see your mean face. Yeah. 2 mean faces. Come on. Come on. Let's see it. Okay. Good luck, boys. Good luck, Tim.
Thanks, bro. Okay, Dad.